below. Number 3 is Brother HL-3270CDW Digital Color Laser Printer. If you're seeking a laser printer that delivers vibrant colors and exceptional photo quality prints for just $400, the Brother HL-3270CDW Digital Color Laser Printer is an immaculate choice. With a printing speed of up to 25 pages per minute and an input paper tray capacity of up to 250 sheets, this printer offers both speed and convenience. The printer also boasts convenient features such as automatic two-sided printing, which allows you to save paper and reduce waste. It also offers NFC touch-to-connect printing, which enables seamless and hassle-free printing from compatible devices. The printer is prepared with a user-friendly 2.7 color touchscreen display, making it effortless to navigate and operate. You also have multiple connectivity options, including wireless, USB, and NFC, ensuring a versatile and flexible printing experience. This sleek and lightweight printer also has some great physical dimensions. With a compact size of 21x23x14.5 inches, it effortlessly fits perfectly in any workspace, whether a cozy home office or a bustling professional environment. Its compact design ensures you can enjoy its exceptional printing capabilities without sacrificing precious desk space. And if you like this all-in-one laser printer, be sure to check out the link in the description box below.